Hey y'all, welcome to your newest listing, 2501 Autumn Road. Let's go take a quick tour, come on. Oh hey, I see you caught me during the middle of my workout. Something I wanted you to notice right here, as soon as you walk in, you have this giant open space that could be for multi-use. You have exercise equipment you want. We also have a really cool office space in the corner. Check it out. Here we are in the kitchen area, something I think a future buyer is just going to love about this kitchen area. We have some nice dark looking cabinets. They look fantastic. It's clean, brand new appliances. Go check that out. Here we are in our living room space. One thing I wanted you to notice about it is it is connected to the kitchen space, so it gives you that big open concept. Brand new paint throughout the house. Check it out. Here we are in our loft space. I think a future buyer is going to love this, that this is great for entertaining or a great spot for kids to play. Check it out. Here we are in the master bedroom. Something I really want you to notice is the sheer size of it. This is a king size bed, lots of space. It also has an attached bathroom, which has a soaker tub and a shower. Go check that out.